The road is a mirror. It shows us who we really are under pressure. Why does the anonymity of a steel shell turn ordinary people into explosive aggressors? We call it road rage. This isn't just about bad driving. It's about a complete failure of control. In the moments we're about to review, you will see a simple gesture, a horn honk, or a moment of impatience escalate into a terrifying series of events.
Скорую срочно вызываю! Где мы?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Hey, you're not supposed to pass this way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
We need to call police.
No, we're good. We're good.
What are you?
No, but I have damage.
Here, get my number. Get my number. I'll pay everything.
No, not that's not the point. Because right now, you hit my vehicle.
I know,
And
but please, I will pay everything.
No, that's not the point.
I'll give you the money
Are
right
you
now.
okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I need to
Please.
go now.
No, please
No.
don't. Please don't. Please.
No,
Please don't.
I have to
Please,
follow the
please,
law.
please don't. Please.
You are the witness.
Please don't. Please don't. Please.
No.
I'm asking you, God forbid. Please don't.
No, but you will.
No way. Please don't.
$300米內右轉進入寶業街。來自本日的需信息，六人。
唔好意思啊，我呢邊睇緊咩環境先，有個司機喺我前面 double brake 咁整停咗我啊！而家成條路而家咧就係咯。你等等啊！
Never see this kick yeah. Never see
Oh, the car.
No, it's a kick.
Скорую, срочно вызываю. Где мы?
You can't. No. No.
We're still trying to determine the actual position from the first informant. You give us rather confusing references here, but we'll clarify that and get back to you. Yeah, he's reported to be on a blue paddleboard.
Aye, well, there's a street doing that way. Aye, it's a one-way system. No problem.
Coast Guard, everything Coast Guard, Fisher mobile.
भाई साहब ये देखिए कितना कितना बड़ा लग रहा है। ये थोड़ा क्या हो यार भाई साहब इन तक कितना लगा ले कितना लगा ले क्यों लगा ले भाई क्यों लगा ले साइड में तम रहे हो साइड में तम लग रहे यार तन्ने मारिया के गाड़ी कितने है अरे साइड में मारला
What the fuck? She's not letting me through. She's crazy, bro.
This white car caused a huge crash. This biker group was riding. When the impatient driver decided to go through them, this caused one of the bikers to crash.
Meu Deus! Segura, segura! Meu Deus! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí!
Later, the police caught the man. Apparently, he was drunk.
Ah, 怎么办？谁有水？谁有水？脚。
What's up?
Fuck you, dude.
What happened?
Look out. You up, dude.
What happened?
You f***ing almost hit me.
Oh, my fault. My fault.
The girls, where are they?
I don't know.
We have to get out of here. We're in danger, Ty. You, me, and Tanny.
Tyler.
She hits me. I got it on camera.
Oh my god. You know she can't call the police, so back up.
I don't give a fuck.
Tyler! Back up.
Let her call the cops.
Get in your fucking car and move, my nigga. Look at all this fucking traffic. You blocking the whole school bus. Move. Move, bro.
Tyler!
The whole spot right there is down the block, bitch. Get in the fucking car.
Stop!
Bro, you're like a dumbass bitch, my nigga. Like,
Back up for a second, bro. It's alright.
Thank you.
I don't give a fuck. I ain't do nothing illegal. No. I should next time.
you a dumbass bitch.
Fuck are you doing?
домашнее питание.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Why did you get out?
I had enough room. You were speeding, sir.
What?
I had enough room. You were speeding.
I was speeding?
Yeah. Oh my God. Dude. Really? No. No, this is not on me. You were speeding. I had plenty of room to pull out. And I have witnessed and everything. No. 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 What are you doing?
Calling 911.
No, let's exchange information.
Yes, hello?
Hold on.
那个前者站嘎子，越站越。
完了完了完了！哦，完了！天啊！
我的天啊！